In this lesson, we are going to talk about factoring any quadratic expression. First, I am going to show you a simple case, and then I'm going to show you a trick called the magic X. So you have a quadratic expression like this, x squared plus 3x minus 18. You need to find two numbers which multiply to negative 18 and which also add to positive 3. Okay, what pairs of numbers multiply to negative 18? We could have 1 and negative 18. 1 and negative 18, and 2 negative 9, and 3 negative 6. Are adding them. So if you add 1 plus negative 18, you obtain negative 17. If you add the 2 plus negative 9, you obtain negative 7. You have the third, 3 plus negative 6, it would give negative 3. So we need to change the sign, negative 3 and positive 6. If you add negative 3 and 6 is exactly that 3. I need to do this rewrite your quadratic x minus 3 multiply by x plus 6. So that's your answer for how to factor this quadratic. Next, I will show you the magic X trick that will work for any factoring problem. Okay, say that you have a quadratic for x squared plus 14x minus 8. For the magic X method, you do draw an X of the other side. Now at the top of your x, you're going to put the number you get from multiplying your first coefficient 4 by your last constant negative 8, which is negative 32. Negative 32. In the bottom, you're going to put your middle number 14. Now you need to find two numbers which multiply to negative 32 and which also add positive 14. 16 and negative 2 are your two numbers because 16 and negative 2 multiply to negative 32. And 16 plus negative 2 gives your 14. 16 and negative 2 are your two numbers because 16 and negative 2 multiply to negative 32 and 16 and plus negative 2 gives your 14. In the magic X method is for each these numbers, divide them by your leading coefficient. So you divide this number by 4 and you divide this number by 4. These fractions simplify, so I'm going to write simplified x down here. minus negative 32 14 and 4 over 1 and negative 1 for 2. Okay, you are almost down with the factoring. The bottom number gives you the coefficient of x, so we have 1x. The top number gives you your constant, so just 4. So for the other term, the bottom number gives you the coefficient of x, so we have 2x. 2x. The top number gives you your constant, so just negative or minus 1, and you are done.